So this video is for my buddy there on YouTube who's trying to figure out how to wire his toggle switches to his M2040 from Desktop Aviator, and he asked me to give him a little circuit diagram. So here it is. I've drawn it out. The first piece that you're looking at here is a little toggle switch, and here's an example of a toggle switch, and we've got 3 contacts here, 1, 2, 3, that you have to solder to. The first top one is going to go to the 5-volt voltage supply of the M2040, and it's also going to go to the coil of the reed relay. It's going to go to, it's got a top and a bottom pin, and we've got one of those to show you here. Looks like this. A little blurry, I don't know what's up with my camera here, but you can see it's got, hopefully you can see, it's got 2 pins on either end and a pin on either top and bottom, and the top and bottom are basically going to be this point here and this point down here. So the top gets to 5 volts just like the top of the toggle switch on the other side. And the bottom goes, in my case, through 2 capacitors. They're electrolytics. Digi-key part numbers over here, 16-volt electrolytics. Be careful with these because they have a positive on that lead and negative. It's clearly marked. And you need to wire them in so that they go from the bottom of the coil contact in the reed relay, goes negative, positive, and then the next one, negative, positive. In my case, it had 1000 microfarad caps, so I needed 2 of them in series to give me the right capacitance. The final lead of that second cap, the positive lead, which that's a plus sign if you can't see it, goes back to the middle contact of the toggle switch. Okay. Then the last contact of the toggle switch goes to the ground connection, so you can find that ground connection on your M2040. And then finally, the ends of the reed relay are your output for your relay controlled output to the M2040, and that's the circuit diagram. It's really pretty simple, and we just gotta wire it all together, solder it together. If you need it, the Radio Shack part number for the reed relay is 2750232. It's a single pole, single throw, 5-volt DC reed relay. It's a neat little device. You can put voltage to it, and there's a little switch inside that closes. You can hear it. It's closing, a little tick when it happens if you want to test it. I also hooked up an LED in my test circuit so that I could see it was working. And the Digi-key part number for the caps are there. You can probably get them at Radio Shack as well. So good luck. If you have a question, give me another comment on the video and I'll try to help you through it.